Quick update on the 155. Since last video, the rear quarter panels have been plumbed in, all sealed in. Rear bumper's been fitted, and the fuel filler net has all been addressed. I'm happy with the outcome. Just have to do a little repair to the actual flap itself. As you remember, everything was done, checked and sealed up to this line here and back. The update really is we've now done the floor pan, and the front wheel arches have all been addressed. As far as stripping it back, I found a good old-fashioned flat blade. It gets rid of 90% of the big stuff, and then if you want to rip it back to metal, this is the pad to use. I've tried a couple on this job, just experimenting. Yeah, this is the boy. I'll be using that next time we do another one. Really gets it back to metal. And the Underseal, I don't know, it's a nice finish, easy to use with this on the airline. That sprays on nice. It's still got the finish actually changes when it dries. So we've probably done a couple of inches either sides of the seals back to metal, just until I could chase out any brown rustiness. There was no holes, so all of that was chased out. We removed all the middle panels just so I could get everything, so I could see everything, and spent a bit of time cleaning up all these fuel lines. Anywhere where it breached, all of this has just had a good wire brush down. Any loose stuff's been addressed. Did find a couple of little rust patches here and there, which were put down to metal, but generally it's all been inspected. It's all been back to metalled where needed, and it's all been undersealed. Happy days. I'm going to put the shiny stuff back on now, so we are now up to the front section, which is going to be fun. Sorry this has dragged on a bit. We just come back from Auto Italia, so I'm quite inspired to crack on with these jobs now. I will give you an update in due course.